Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Valora Crypto. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the Valora Crypto application, then just go ahead and tap on it to open it up. Now, once the application is opened up, just wait for a while and you will see the Get Started as well as I already have a wallet button. Just go ahead and tap on Get Started, and then you will be asked to set up your 6-digit PIN. Just type in your PIN and then type it in once again to confirm it, and you will be asked whether you want to turn in your fingerprint recognition. Tap on the Turn On button if you wish to add it, and you will be asked to provide your fingerprint. After doing so, you will be provided your wallet's recovery phrase. Just tap on Use Recovery Phrase and you will be asked to verify your identity once again. Provide your biometrics, and now you will be able to find your recovery phrase. Now just go ahead and note your recovery phrase or copy it to your clipboard to save it for later use. Then simply tap on I have saved it, and now you will be asked to enter your phone number to connect with the Valora app. Just select your country and then type in your phone number and then tap on the connect button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that is sent to your phone. Just type in the verification code and then you can proceed with signing up and creating your new account. You can also skip this by tapping on the skip button at the top right corner. And now you will be welcomed to the Valora Crypto application. You can either build your profile right now or add funds to your account. Or you can tap on I'll explore later and you will immediately be taken into your Valora wallet home screen. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Valora Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.